At home, talking before going to the market. Are we going to the market today? Yes, we need to go. Why do we need to go today? We don't have enough food at home. Really? Yes. Rice and oil are almost finished. Oh, I didn't know that. That's why we must go. What do we need to buy? We need rice, flour, sugar, and cooking oil. What about vegetables? Yes, vegetables too. Which vegetables? Potatoes, onions, tomatoes, and green chilies. Can we buy some fruit? Yes, but only cheap fruit. I like apples. Apples are expensive. Then bananas? Bananas are good. Can we buy biscuits? Yes, but only one packet. Okay. Please bring the shopping bags. How many bags? 2 bags. Do we have enough money? Yes, but prices are high. Everything is expensive now. That's true. Should we make a list? Yes, that's a good idea. I will write it. Write rice, flour, sugar, oil. Okay. Now vegetables. Potatoes, onions, tomatoes, green chilies. Milk and tea. Yes, add milk and tea. Fruit. Bananas. Anything else? 1 packet of biscuits. Done. Alright, let's go now. I'm ready. Wear your shoes. I did. Let's leave. At the grocery store, talking with the shopkeeper. Hello. Hello. How can I help you? We want to buy groceries. Okay. What do you need? We need rice. How much rice? 5 kilos. This rice is good quality. How much is it? It's expensive. Do you have cheaper rice? Yes, this one is cheaper. Is it good? Yes, it is fine. Okay. Give us 5 kilos. Sure. We also need flour. How much? 10 kilos. All right. What about cooking oil? Which brand? The normal one. That is expensive. How much? 600 per bottle. Prices are very high. Yes. Everything is expensive now. Give us 2 bottles. Okay. We need sugar. How much sugar? 3 kilos. Here you go. Do you have tea? Yes. Give us a small packet. Okay. We also need milk. Fresh milk is available. How much? 180 per liter. Give 2 liters. All right. Do you sell biscuits? Yes. Which one is cheap? This one. Give 1 packet. Okay. What about bananas? They are outside. How much are they? 120 per dozen. That's fine. Give 1 dozen. Apples? How much are apples? They are expensive. Okay, we don't want apples. No problem. Please tell us the total. Let me calculate. Can you give some discount? Yes, a small discount. Thank you. Here is the total. Here is the money. Thank you. Here is your receipt. Thanks. Have a nice day. You too. On the way home, talking after shopping. The bags are heavy. Yes, they are. I can carry one. Okay, thank you. Prices are really high. Yes, very high. That's why we didn't buy apples. Yes, apples were too expensive. I learned a lot today. What did you learn? I learned how to buy things carefully. That's good. I saw how you asked prices. Yes, always ask first. And you spoke politely. Polite talk is important. The shopkeeper gave a discount. Yes, good behavior helps. Shopping is not easy. No, but it's important. Next time, can I try shopping? Yes, of course. I want to learn more. You will. I'm happy I came with you. I'm happy too. It's very hot. Yes, let's walk fast. I'm hungry now. We'll eat when we get home. What will we cook? Rice and vegetables. That sounds good. We are near home. Yes. I'll put the groceries in the kitchen. Good. Then wash your hands. I will. Today was a good day. Yes, it was.